In today's video, we're going to be doing the red bull experiment. Here is a bull. It's currently made up of indigenous cells. If they breed with other natives, then this will stay this way forever. Now we're going to add an invasive species. But first, the rules. All cells will choose a mating partner at random. Each mating is done by a unique pair. Mated pairs will produce offspring in their current locations. Now, to make things easier to understand, I've put a breeding cycle counter up in the left corner, and as soon as a white cell becomes infected, then it will display a black spot. So look what happens if we introduce one single invading red cell and have him be a constant in the pool of mating. Within only a few breeding cycles, the white cells have been wiped out, indicated by the black spot. It happens quite early as they're competing for mating partners. I've run this experiment many times and this seems about correct for a colony of this size. Now let's run the experiment to see at what point this invasive species purges the indigenous DNA from the newly infected host. I'll speed this up as it takes a fair while. So the disappearance of the black spot indicated the invasive species had bred out the host from their DNA. At this point, our red heifer is purely red. All hope is far from lost for our white cells though. We'll start with a full infested red bull colony. But this time, we'll add a white cell constant in the mating pool. In fact, we have 3, just to speed up results. So let's see what happens. And there you have it. The removal of the black spots means the white bull has been purified and our little colony is back to where it started. To sum up, our experiment proves that an invasive species' constant existence will always kill its host, and given enough time, will remove their DNA from the DNA pool forever. But that conversely, removing the invaders will return things back to normal, providing you have a constant existence of indigenous cells. Thank you very much for listening to my TED Talk. If you'd like to wishlist Cowboys vs Monsters, you can on Steam. Have a great day.